As the lengthened season approaches, fishermen in Clarendon are asking one question: where's the fish? Carrie-Ann Simpson explains.
Fishermen in Portland Cottage in Clarendon have seen better days. Instead of fish, boats line the shoreline. They tell TVJ News that since Hurricane Melissa, their catch has depleted significantly.
Hurricane pass, we don't get no good time I see. No good time we don't get brother for the hurricane.
Fishing now go on so good for the storm. You know. Fishing get a little slow for the storm because most of the debris them in the sea still inside there. The sea floor look like it not settling. The current move up and down. Still get stronger current after the storm. And then we have a lot of low tide after the storm same way. So we don't really go back to the level of fishing over the pan, but we still try to fight.
In times gone by, they further explain, fisherfolk looked forward to going out to sea. This as demand is usually high during the Lenten season, but for now, things look dismal.
When people want fish, you can't get fish, and if money did if you want the fish, you know, you can't get no fish.
The current weather conditions also a problem.
We go on top of Portland Key. Do some hook and line fishing, but the weather is very hard. I didn't catch any amount. We catch fish in a boat. I didn't catch the amount, you know, I can't clear back my expense. I can't buy back my gas. But we give thanks to God still, you know. I tell you, the weather was cool out there, cool. Couldn't work none at all, man. Cool. And I used to have to hook up on my sponge.
The conditions at sea have resulted in losses, mostly to the nets and other equipment.
Whether about the fish now and catch and the fisherman then come back and then after mending up, not did it for them correct. It's just...
If we are going to see equipment mash up, you know. Every time we go see the net mash up, if the net no mash up, the boat to get about something wrong. So we always a spend. With a low income.
The fishermen are now hoping that as the days progress, things will improve. They are also seeking the intervention from the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries to repair their nets. Carrie-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.